Planning for retirement is one of the best things that you can do. Knowing how to set yourself up financially and otherwise will give you peace of mind. Here are the top tips and tricks for retirement planning. Do you want to maintain the same standard of living that you have right now when you retire? Start planning now. Find out how much money you will need to retire. You will need about 75% of your current income yearly to live comfortably. Try to save a minimum of 80% to be safe. Try to start a savings account as young as possible to plan for retirement. Something with minimal risk and a high interest rate is best. The younger you start planning, the greater your opportunity will be to save. If you can begin to regularly contribute to savings in your 20s, you'll be well on your way to a nice nest egg. Open an IRA to increase your savings for retirement. This can be beneficial as there are many tax benefits and is another way to lock in money when retirement comes. This retirement account does not charge you taxes if you were to take money out of it after you turn 60. Invest up to $5,500 a year in an IRA. This is an individual retirement account. Typically, $5,500 is the most you can save in any given year. Unless you are over the age of 50, you'll have the option of opening a traditional or a Roth IRA. This decision is up to you entirely, but should be researched first. If you don't know where to start saving for retirement, check with your employer. Many employers offer not only a 401 Kelvin savings plan, but also contribute matching funds. Regardless of how much of your income you should save at least the amount to get the full match. Never leave free money on the table. To ensure you have a nest egg saved back for retirement, you must be proactive in finding ways to put a portion of your salary into some kind of retirement savings. A lot of companies no longer offer a pension plan, so saving for your retirement is now up to each individual. To successfully save for retirement, you must get into a saving mindset and determine what percentage of your pre-tax income will be deducted from each of your paychecks and placed into your retirement savings account. You can automate your savings. Most things today can be automated, and your retirement savings are the same way. Automated options help you make those investments when you just seem to forget. This will allow your nest egg to start growing without you wasting any time thinking about it. This is a great idea for any smart saver. Take retirement seriously. Make sure you ask plenty of questions when consulting with a financial advisor or sitting down with someone at your company to talk about what they offer for retirement. Keep meeting and talking until you have a good handle on what you need to do to secure your future. Do not depend solely on Social Security benefits to fund your retirement. These benefits are approximately 40% of what you earn while working. You will need to supplement your Social Security benefits with other retirement savings, such as a 401 Kelvin plan or an IRA. You will need a minimum of 70% of your gross yearly earning to maintain your standard of living. To help ensure that your financial situation in retirement is sufficient to support the lifestyle you are certain to desire, it pays to consult with planning experts well in advance of your need. Taking the time while you are still working is a great way to make certain you have the sort of nest egg necessary to fund the things you value most. Research your particular Social Security benefits. When you retire, Social Security will offer benefits around 40% of your pre-retirement income. If you go online, you'll find plenty of Social Security calculators that will help you estimate your expected income from Social Security during retirement. This can help you plan better for the future. If your employer offers a pension plan, find out if you're covered under the plan. If you are covered, it is important that you understand how the plans work. You should know what happens to your benefits if you change jobs. Also, if your spouse's employer offers a plan, learn what benefits you are entitled to. Retirement planning not only includes financial preparation, but also preserving your health. The retirement years can be filled with enjoyable activities if your body is still healthy. Make sure you can take advantage of those opportunities when you finally do retire by making sure to remain active and protect your health. Stick to a budget. Before you retire, figure out your recurring expenses. Make sure you add any savings contributions. This will be considered a monthly expense. The budget helps you see where your money is going and what debts must be dealt with first. Once that is in place, you need to get in a proper mindset of retirement saving or retirement investing, and stay with it.